Consciousness, Margao Center, and in association with Hare Mandir, I would like to welcome all the media present here. This press conference is primarily for the upcoming 4th Grand Jagannath Rath Yatra, which will be held in Margao. I would like to invite the Hare Mandir President, Mr. Jagannath, to address the gathering, followed by our representative from ISKCON Center, Space Balabhadra.
नमस्कार. श्री हरे मंदिर देवस्थानच्या वतीन आणि इस्कॉन मडगावच्या शाखा ह्या दोघांच्याच वतीन हांव तुमचे सगळ्यांचे स्वागत करता. आयच्या ह्या पत्रकार परिशदेक प्रेस कॉन्फरन्सात जगन्नाथ यात्रेबद्दल आमी आयोजन केल्लें आसा. सगळ्यांचे स्वागत. आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा की हांगा आमचे इस्कॉनाचे संयोजक माननीय संदीप सिद्धार्थ सचिन आनी आमचे हरे मंदिर देवस्थानचे संतोष सावंत सगळे आमी हांगा आयिल्ले आसात. जगन्नाथ यात्रा जी एक प्रसिद्ध यात्रा ह्या देशानूच न्ही जगभर ह्या देवाची भगवान जगन्नाथाची यात्रा ही 16 तारीख आसा, 16 जुलय ह्या वर्सा. आनी ही यात्रा ह्या हरिमंदिरांतल्या ही 4थी यात्रा आमच्या गोंयांत भायर सरतली. एक बरी गोश्ट गजाल म्हणजे कितें एक परंपरा सुरू जाल्ली आसा. जगन्नाथ यात्रे सारकेले पवित्र अशी यात्रा ही ज्या हरिमंदिराच्या पावन ह्या पालनांतल्यान भायर सरतली. त्या यात्रेक लागून एका रुपान जगन्नाथ भगवान जगन्नाथाचें सगळ्यांक दर्शन जातलें. आमच्या ह्या हरिमंदिर देवस्थानच्या भुमीचेर भक्तांक दर्शन जातलें आनी तांचे पदस्पर्शान हांगसर ही यात्रा सुरू जाता. हें एका तरेचें आमकां एक भाग्य आसा. हें शेवटी भगवानाची इच्छा आसा, देवाची इच्छा आसा की ज्यो गोश्टी घडटा ते तांच्या इच्छे प्रमाणे घडटा. हांगा तांची पयलीं 3-4 वर्सां पयलीं यात्रा ते थोड्याच्या ल्हानच्या प्रमाणांत करताले मडगांवां. पूण तांकां हरे मंदिर जेन्ना हांगा स्थापन जालेलें म्हटलें खुबश्यो हांगा सनातनाचे कार्यावळी चालू जाले. त्याच बरोबर तांकांय दिसलें की एक भव्य दिव्य अशी जगन्नाथ यात्रा ह्या मडगांव नगरींत सुरू करची आनी ह्या हरे मंदिरच्या देवस्थानांतल्यान सुरू करची अशें तांकां दिसलें. तांकां दिसलें म्हणजे शेवटी भगवान जगन्नाथाची इच्छा जाली की आमच्या प्रशस्त अशा देवळांतल्यान आपली यात्रा सुरू जावची आनी त्या दृश्टीन ही यात्रा हांगा सुरू जाली म्हणून 4थें वर्स. आनी प्रचंड प्रतिसाद मेळूंक लागला. भगवान आसतना पळोवन एक गर्दी प्रचंड प्रमाणांत जाता. लोकांची भावना की भगवान जगन्नाथ हो असो एक देव आसा की जो कोणी समज भक्त पावना ताच्या दर्शनाक ताचे भेटीक आपूण जावन तो भायर येता, आपूण जावन तो प्रत्येक घराक भक्ता कडेन वता आनी दर्शन दिता. हो असो एकूच देव भगवान जगन्नाथ आसा. त्या दृश्टीन ही जगन्नाथ यात्रा ही खूब आशिर्वाद पळोवप आमकां मेळटली म्हणून हांव सगळ्यां कडेन मागता की ह्या निमतान आमी सगळ्यांनी भायर सरून त्या दिसा ह्या जगन्नाथ यात्रेक भाग घेवचो. रथ ओडपाची भाग जी आमकां मेळटा आनी ताजो देवाचो आशिर्वाद मेळटलो ही संदी आमी सोडची न्ही. म्हणून हरे मंदिर देवस्थे वतीन सुद्दां हांव आव्हान करता की जास्तीत जास्त प्रमाणांत भक्तांनी मडगांवच्या ह्या नगरीन भायर सरून त्या दिसा येतात. लोक येतात पूण गर्दी वाडत आसा प्रत्येक वर्सा. आमी ह्या रथान सहभागी जावन आमी भाग घेवन देवाचो आशिर्वाद घेवचो. प्रेस कॉन्फरन्साक वेळ काडून आयले म्हणून तुमकां आभारी आसा आनी तुमकां मागता की तुमी पार्टिसिपेट जातले आनी ते यात्रेचेच तुमकां कवरेज दितले. धन्यवाद.
Hare Krishna. So very warm welcome to all the press personnel. We are very happy to see you. So this is a very ancient festival that happens in Jagannath Puri. So in there almost lakhs of people come there to pull the chariot of Lord Jagannath. And by the mercy of our founder Acharya, His Divine Grace Abhicharna Bhakti Vedanta Samshra, this festival is celebrated all around the globe now. And we are very fortunate, like Mandir, His respected Subhas Prabhuji told us, this has been our 4th great festival. And our vision or our desire is that all over Goa or in Margao we have many people coming. So last time it was almost 3,000 people who had come. So So this time we are trying to reach out to as many as people. We have taken a target of almost 10,000 to 15,000 people coming and participating in this divine festival. So basically Jagannath is none other than Lord Sri Krishna. Balabhadra is none other than Lord Balram and their sister Subhadra and Sudarshan. So it's a very, very joyous festival. Like Sir said, people who are having no time, Lord himself comes to give them darshan. And we'll be starting this festival on 16th. Okay, it is the Ashad month, Shukla Paksha Dvitiya. So we'll start, the Rath will start exactly at 5 p.m. from here. So we request everybody to be present here, and we are very honored to have our PWD Minister, Honorable Shri Goemkarponn, who will be flagging off the chariot, along with him, the BJP President Jagannath and Honorable MLA from Naveli, Ullas Pranita will be the dignitaries here. And the main thing is only what we call desire effort is that maximum people get connected to this festival and get the blessing, and they get connected to the spiritual life. We are having a center in Abad Paria Road next to Goemkarponn Hospital, where we conduct our programs every Friday and Saturday in the evening, and everybody is welcome there. So in this very busy life, people are getting so stressed, anxious. So by getting a connection to the spiritual life, there's a lot of value added to their life. So our main motto is, many people come to know about this and they participate in this festival. We are very, very grateful to the Director Art and Culture Ministry, who have funded us and who have helped us. And Hare Mandir Devasthan, it has been our backbone. Last 4 years, this Grand Rath Yatra is possible because of the effort of all the staff and the committee of Hare Mandir Devasthan. So we like to thank them from our heart, and all the devotees and participants of our ISKCON society as well. So thank you very much for coming.
Basically, the Jagannath Rath will start sharp at 5 p.m. Flagged off by Honorable Minister. The route for the Jagannath Yatra will be, it starts from the new Hare Mandir, it passes through the new market, taking a curve towards the Margao Municipal Square. Thereafter, it takes the route through the post office, mobile hotel, and concluding at the Hare Mandir back to this. Very special thing for this Yatra will be that there are a lot of youths who have participated up front, and there will be live kirtan of Hare and kirtan, adding to the beauty and the vibrations of the entire thing. This is one of the beautiful festivals wherein the Lord himself steps out of the temple sanctuary and comes in with darshans to its devotees, to all, because he is Jagannath, he is Shri Krishna, he is the Lord of the universe. You know, Bhagavan, he doesn't see anybody that I am yours and I am not yours, but he is the Lord of everyone. More and more people are adding to this, and last year we had around 3,000, this year we expect around 5,000 people to participate in this. Yatra concludes, when we come back to the Hare Mandir, there will be Mahaprasadam which will be served to the devotees. So everybody is welcome there, and if you not go to Puri, but definitely can come out on the streets of Margao and seek the blessings of the Guru as he steps out of the beautiful life. Yes, thank you.
हरे कृष्णा तुमकां सगळ्यांक माय मोगाचो येवकार 16 तारखेक जुलायचे आमी आमचे चवथो रथ यात्रा मडगांवांत आसतले आनी हरी मंदिरांतल्यान एक्झॅक्टली 5 वरांक आमचे जे रथ आसले सुटतले. आमचे मुखेल जे मोगाचे आमदार मडगांवचे दिगंबर कामत बाब आसतले रथ स्टार्टींग फ्लॅग ऑफ करपाक. आमचे जे रथ आसते हरी मंदिरांतल्यान पूर्ण मडगांव सिटी भोंवून परतून हरी मंदिरा येतले. आणि आमचे एकूच तुमकां निवेदन की तुम्ही सगळे यात, जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा मैयाचे दर्शन घेयात, रथ ओढात, आपले जीवन एकदम कुशलमय करात आणि महाप्रसाद कीर्तनात नाचात. ओके, आणि सगळ्यांक म्हणटा आनी एकदा 16 तारखेक 5 वर्सां हरी मंदिरा उपस्थित जायात आणि हे भव्य फेस्टिवलांत सहभाग जायात. हरे कृष्ण.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.